Hello, welcome to how to solve this exponential equation. 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to square root of 6 to the power x minus 9 to the power x. 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to square root of, we can write this 6 to the power x as 2 times 3 whole to the power x minus, and we can write this 9 to the power x as 3 to the power 2 whole to the power x. Next, 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to, according to the property of exponents, a times b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. We can write this 2 times 3 whole to the power x as 2 to the power x times 3 to the power x minus, and according to the property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. We can write this power x inside the brackets and this power 2 outside the brackets. 3 to the power x whole to the power 2, and this value is under square root. Now here we have 2 to the power x, and here we have 2 to the power x, and here we have 3 to the power x, here we have 3 to the power x, and here we have 3 to the power x. So we suppose that let 2 to the power x is equal to a and 3 to the power x is equal to b, and we substitute these values in this equation. Then this equation becomes a minus b is equal to square root of a times b minus b square, and we take square of both sides. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to, and this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left ab minus b square. Next we move this ab and this minus b square to the left side. A square minus 2ab, we move this positive ab to the left side, it becomes negative ab plus this b square, and we move this negative b square to the left side, it becomes positive b square equal to 0. Next, a square minus 2ab minus 1ab minus 3ab, and 1b square plus 1b square plus 2b square is equal to 0. Next, a square, we can write this minus 3ab as minus 1ab minus 2ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. Next, from these two terms we can take a as common. A as common times, in bracket left, a minus b, and from these two terms we can take minus 2b as common. Minus 2b as common times, in bracket left, a minus b is equal to 0. Now from here we can take a minus b as common. A minus b as common times, in bracket left, this a and this minus 2b, a minus 2b is equal to 0. Now from here either a minus b is equal to 0 or a minus 2b is equal to 0. From here a is equal to b, and from here a is equal to 2b. And if we divide both sides by b, we get a over b is equal to 2. Now recall that we have supposed that 2 to the power x is equal to a and 3 to the power x is equal to b. We have supposed that 2 to the power x is equal to a and 3 to the power x is equal to b. We substitute these values in this equation, then this equation becomes 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x. And if we put the value of x 0 in this equation, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 3 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1 is equal to 3 to the power 0 is 1. So from here we conclude that x is equal to 0. This is the first solution. Now these values of a and b we substitute in this equation. 2 to the power x over 3 to the power x is equal to 2. According to the property of exponents, a to the power n over b to the power n is equal to a over b whole to the power n. We can write this 2 to the power x over 3 to the power x as 2 over 3 whole to the power x is equal to 2. Now because at left side we have base 2 over 3, so we take log base 2 over 3 of both sides. Log base 2 over 3 of 2 over 3 to the power x is equal to log base 2 over 3 of 2. Next, according to the property of logarithms, log base b of b to the power a is equal to a. So this log base 2 over 3 of 2 over 3 to the power x is equal to x is equal to log base 2 over 3 of 2. This is the second value of x.